Hello out there to you. In this video, we're going to calculate what the Herfindahl-Hirschman index is, or HHI. This is a way of telling how consolidated the market is. We're going to use Google Sheets to do this. So I'm just going to recreate what they have here. This is the market share as a percent. And so the way this works is we're just going to square the market shares, and then we're going to add them all up. And that gives you the Herfindahl index. So having trouble with it auto-filling there. Okay, and so we're just going to fill in the numbers 10, 15, 20, and 40. Okay, and then this would be the share squared. Okay. So you have two options. The way I would do it is I would take that number there, and I would hit that caret key, and then I would just put 2. But you could multiply it by itself. Now Google Sheets is seeing what I'm doing, and it wants to know if I want to copy the formula. I do. And then if I want to add up all of these numbers, it already knows what I'm doing. So, but I'm going to put in the formula for sum, and then in parentheses I'm going to put the entire numbers that I want to sum up, and then hit enter. This is the Herfindahl index, or HHI, and that's relatively low. And then if you wanted to change the numbers, say firm F merged with firm C, you would change that to 20, and you would change that to 0, and you'd see how the number changes. And that's how to do that with Google Sheets.